I saved a baby bird. My cat had it this morning, and I saved it. And now it's sleeping. It's adorable. I think it's a baby. Looks like it still has some downy feathers on it. I'm wearing gloves. I think it's an older fledgling, but it's adorable. I'm gonna pet it.
What are you gonna name it?
I'm probably gonna name it Taylor or Alex. Yeah, Alex sounds good. Hi, Alex. You're cute. So that's Alex. I'll check for updates are once a week or once a day. Okay, bye.